Hanggat lakas mo, teenager! Gusto mo ba ng bagong phone? Pangarap mo bang makapag-aral sa magandang university? Alam mo ba, kaya mo yan ma-achieve at mas maaga, mas maganda. Paano? Through investing. Isipin mo na lang, yung baon mo ngayon, pwede natin siyang palaguin para sa future mo. Hindi lang panggastos, pangyaman din. Kaya kung teenager ka at nag-iisip kung paano magsimula, tamang-tama. This is for you. Dito natin alamin kung paano mag-invest. Simple lang, promise. Invest like a pro? Easy peasy. Investing might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. Ano nga ba ang investing? It's like planting seeds in a garden. You start with something small and watch it grow over time. Isipin mo, parang nagtatanim ka ng puno. Yung pera mo ngayon, parang buto, itatanim mo. You nurture it, take care of it, and eventually it grows into something much bigger. Habang tumatagal, lumalaki yung puno at nagbubunga. Ganon din sa investing. The longer you let your money grow, the more it can yield. Halimbawa, gusto mo bumili ng bagong phone next year. Instead of spending all your allowance now, you can save a portion and invest it. Imbis na gastusin mo lahat ng baon mo, magtabi ka ng konti at ilagay mo sa investment. Over time, that small amount can grow significantly. Pag lumaki na yung pera mo, pwede mo nang mabili yung phone na gusto mo. Imagine the satisfaction of buying something you really want with money you've grown yourself. Hindi lang yan. Pwede mo ring gamitin ang investing para sa pang-tuition mo sa college, pang-travel, o kahit pang-negosyo. Exciting, di ba? Investing opens up so many possibilities. You can plan for your future, achieve your dreams, and even start your own business. It's all about making your money work for you. The key is to start early and be consistent. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And don't worry if you don't have a lot to invest right now. Even small amounts can add up over time. So take that first step. Learn about different types of investments, set your financial goals, and start investing. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to financial success. Remember, investing is not just for adults. You can do it too. So, what are you waiting for? Start investing today and watch your money grow. Invest like a pro. Easy peasy. Time is gold, or should we say, time is money. Bakit nga ba importante mag-invest ng maaga? Kasi may magic word tayo, compound interest. Parang magic trick to na nagpapalaki sa pera mo ng mas mabilis. Paano ba yan? Kapag nag-invest ka, yung pera mo kumikita. Tapos, yung kinita niya, kumikita rin. Parang snowball effect yan, lumalaki ng lumalaki. Kaya kung bata ka palang nag-i-invest na, mas mahaba yung oras ng pera mo para lumago. Isipin mo, mas malaki ang kikitain mo kumpara sa kung nagsimula ka ng late. Ready, set, invest. But first, budget. Investing is an exciting journey. But before you dive into it, there's a crucial step you need to take. That step is budgeting. Bago ka mag-invest, kailangan mo munang matutong mag-budget. Budgeting is the foundation of any successful financial plan. It helps you understand where your money is going and ensures you have enough to invest. Huwag mag-alala, hindi naman ito kasing hirap na math. Think of it as a simple exercise in organizing your finances. It's all about knowing your income and expenses. Simple lang, ilista mo lahat ng kinikita mo at lahat ng ginagastos mo. May baon ka ba? May allowance? Start by listing all your sources of income. This could be your allowance, money from part-time jobs, or even gifts. O kaya naman, may extra money ka ba from doing chores or small businesses? Ilista mo lahat yan. Every little bit counts, so make sure to include any extra money you earn from doing chores or small businesses. Tapos, ilista mo rin lahat ng pinagkakagastusan mo, like pagkain, pamasahe, at iba pa. Next, list all your expenses. This includes everything you spend money on, like food, transportation, school supplies, and even entertainment. Kapag alam mo na kung saan napupunta ang pera mo, mas madali nang mag-set aside ng pang-invest. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it becomes easier to set aside money for investing. Kahit maliit lang, okay lang yan. Ang importante, consistent ka. Even if you can only save a small amount, that's perfectly fine. The key is to be consistent. Over time, these small amounts will add up and give you a solid foundation for your investments. Remember, budgeting is not just about cutting back on expenses. It's about making informed decisions with your money. By setting financial goals and sticking to your budget, you'll be well on your way to successful investing. So take the time to create a budget that works for you. Track your spending, save consistently, and watch your investments grow. Ready, set, invest! Saan nga ba pwede mag-invest? Maraming options para mag-invest. Pwede sa stocks, mutual funds, o kaya naman sa government bonds. Pero ano nga ba ang mga ito at paano sila gumagana? Alamin natin isa-isa. Stocks, parang shares to ng isang company. Kapag bumili ka ng stocks, nagiging part owner ka ng company na yon. Kapag tumaas yung value ng company, tumataas din yung value ng stocks mo. Halimbawa, kung ang company ay nagkaroon ng malaking kita o naglabas ng bagong produkto na patok sa market, posibleng tumaas ang value ng stocks nila. Pero tandaan, may risk din ito. Pwedeng bumaba ang value ng stocks mo kung bumaba ang performance ng company. Kaya mahalaga na mag-research ka muna bago mag-invest sa stocks. Mutual funds. Ito naman, parang basket of investments. Imbis na sa isang company ka lang mag-invest, sa iba't ibang companies ka naglalagay ng pera. Ang mutual funds ay pinamamahalaan ng mga professional fund managers. Sila ang nagde-decide kung saan ilalagay ang pera mo para mas mapalaki ang kita. Mas safe to kasi hindi lang nakadepend sa isang company yung investment mo. Kung bumaba man ang value ng isang company, may chance na tumaas naman ang value ng iba pang company sa portfolio mo. Kaya mas diversified ang investment mo, mas mababa ang risk. Pero syempre, may management fees din na binabayaran sa mga fund managers. Government bonds. Dito naman, parang nagpaputang ka sa government. Bibili ka ng bonds at babayaran ka nila ng interest sa loob ng isang takdang panahon. Safe din to kasi guaranteed na babayaran ka ng government. Ang interest na makukuha mo ay depende sa terms ng bonds na binili mo. Halimbawa, kung bumili ka ng 5-year government bond, makakatanggap ka ng interest payments kada taon sa loob ng 5 taon. Pagkatapos ng term, ibabalik sa'yo ang principal amount na in-invest mo. Anong mas bagay sa'yo? Depende yan sa risk appetite mo at sa goal mo. Kung gusto mo ng high risk, high reward, pwede mo i-try ang stocks. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas safe, pwede sa mutual funds or government bonds. Mahalaga na alamin mo muna ang mga options mo at mag-research bago mag-invest. Kung gusto mo ng high risk, high reward, pwede mo i-try ang stocks. Pero tandaan, kailangan mong maging handa sa posibilidad na pwedeng bumaba ang value ng investment mo. Kung mas gusto mo ng mas stable na kita, mutual funds o government bonds ang magandang option. Sa mutual funds, may professional fund managers na mag-aalaga ng investment mo. Sa government bonds naman, guaranteed ang kita mo dahil sa government ka nagpapautang. Pero tandaan, kahit anong investment ang piliin mo, mahalaga na mag-research ka muna at alamin ang mga risks involved. Huwag mag-invest ng pera na hindi mo kayang mawala. Mag-set ka rin ng financial goals para alam mo kung ano ang gusto mong ma-achieve sa investment mo. Sa ganitong paraan, mas magiging guided ka sa pagde-decide kung saan ilalagay ang pera mo. Recap, angat lakas mo, teenager investor ka na, ayan. Ngayon alam mo na ang basics ng investing. Tandaan mo, hindi mo kailangan maging expert agad. Ang importante, magsimula ka na. Invest early, mas maaga, mas maganda. Compound interest is your friend, parang magic trick na nagpapalaki sa pera mo. Start with a budget. Alam mo ba kung saan napupunta ang pera mo? Choose the right investment. Anong goal mo? High risk or low risk? Huwag matakot magtanong at mag-research. Maraming resources online at offline na makakatulong sa'yo. Go for it! Future millionaire! Kaya, ano pang hinihintay mo? Simulan mo na ang iyong investing journey. Isipin mo na lang yung ginagawa mo ngayon, investment yan para sa future mo. Malay mo, ikaw na ang susunod na Filipino millionaire. Kaya go for it, future millionaire. Angat lakas mo, teenager.
Thank you for watching mga ka-Money Beast Mind. Sana may napulot kayong tips sa video na to. Alam kong kaya nyo yan. Huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa at laging magtiwala sa sarili nyo. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod naming videos. Stay motivated and keep hustling. See you sa next video.